Hello everyone. Today I will be going over the Webquest that I created for technology and digital literacy. I've always been very interested in the ocean, and I thought that I would want to bring that and incorporate it into a Webquest. So I also always get the song that Mr. Ray sings in Finding Nemo about the zones of the ocean stuck in my head. So I thought, hey, that's a great topic. Let's incorporate that too. So that is the relevancy of the title, Finding Nemo and All of His Friends. And if anyone feels like getting that song stuck in their head, I provided a clip here. So on the welcome homepage, it says that, in fact, our oceans are comprised of 3 main zones based on how much sunlight each receives. And that's the basis of the whole Webquest. So it goes over the names of the zones briefly and what will happen at the end of the Webquest, which is that all students will be able to name and recognize 3 major ocean zones and their defining characteristics, what makes these zones similar and what makes them different, and the types of creatures that reside within the zones, as well as where the zones are located. So at the bottom it says, let's dive in. I apologize in advance because there are a lot of ocean puns contained in this Webquest. I just could not help myself. So if we go to introduction, this is where the start of the information goes. There's 2 videos that the kiddos will watch that describe the ocean zones. And then I've outlined some questions that they should be thinking about while they're watching the video, as they will definitely be answering them later on. After watching these videos and considering the questions, they'll be breaking into pods of 4. So there will be the oceanographer, the typist, the whale watcher, and the analyzer. For more information, it says to go to the tasks page. So there are 2 tabs here, roles and process, but we're just going to click on tasks first because it will outline what they're doing more thoroughly. So today it says that they are expected to create a Google Slides presentation. This is all the basis of what they'll be doing. So it breaks it down no less than 7 slides, including a title page, bibliography, and it goes over slide 1, slide 2 to 6, slide 7. There are a few more notes like be colorful and contain pictures, show what you and your pod have spent the time and energy researching, etc. So when you go to the roles, the kiddos find out what they will be doing. There's 4 roles in total. The oceanographer, which is sort of the researcher of the group. Everyone's going to be answering these questions, but they're sort of facilitating the research and the learning. So there are 5 questions. Some of them have 2 parts, like number 2, how much sunlight does each zone receive, if any, and can plants grow in all 3 zones? Along with the videos, I've given plenty of links to sites where they can find more information, and they're also welcome to check their textbooks, various books in the classroom, and use the internet to find more information on their own. Now, the typist is going to be sort of the translator. They're going to be typing everything into the Google Slides, and they're going to be listening to the group, taking notes, making sure that all of the information is correct that they're putting into the slides. The whale watcher is concerned with the aesthetics, so they're the person putting in pictures, maybe even videos, and adding color and making, their creativity shine. I've added it's important to use Creative Commons and other various websites so that they're in line with copyright, as we learned about a great deal this semester. And then finally, the analyzer is the person who's going to be thinking most critically and asking those why questions. So I have 5 questions here set out for them. And again, they're going to be talking about these as a group, but this person is the one that's going to be really thinking about what they want to portray, what they want to present, and share their ideas with the class. So when you go to process, you have 10 steps to follow, starting from dividing into the 4 pods, or pods of 4, and then all the way to the bottom where they present their Google Slides presentation. For the evaluation, we have a rubric here. It's based on pods rather than the individual student, as they're all working together. So research quality, creative quality, thoughtful analysis, and completion of presentation are the 4 areas that you're looking for, and each are worth 4 points for a total of 16. There's a download link down here in case anyone wants to download it and edit it or use it in the future. In conclusion, it goes over everything that was learned today and then says that, if kids want to learn more about how to protect our oceans after learning so much about them, there's some links here for things that they can do. And then, of course, the Save the Ocean Schoolhouse Rock song, which is very important to listen to and get stuck in your head as well. On the teachers page, we have the goals and standards. There are actually quite a few I found that I surrounded the Webquest around. So, such as report on a topic or text or present an opinion, sequencing ideas logically and using appropriate fact and relevant descriptive details to support main ideas of themes, speaking clearly at an understandable pace. So a lot of this is reading comprehension, a lot of it is being able to use multimedia components, being able to speak in front of people concisely and clearly, and being able to do short research projects. So for ideas on how to expand this learning, there's a bunch of links here and some videos below to potentially show the class. And then I have included my contact information as well. So that is all for my Webquest. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching.